So now let's switch to Asana and see what happened. So as you can see, a new request has just popped up with the image that I attached, and it's been automatically assigned to Hannah, who's going to now triage this request and take care of it. So now Hannah can open this request. She can see the details that were submitted by the customer, including the files that were attached and so on, and all the other details. And she can now fill out her internal fields to say, okay, does this need a legal review? Maybe not needed for this. It's a Christmas post, what region has it come from, and what's the status of the work, whether it started, not started, etc. And in case, if you want to capture even a billing amount for this, right, for budgeting or for even billing your customer once this is done, you can add it here. Let's say it's 200 AED or whatever it is, and that's the request. So now that she's completed this request, she could go ahead and assign it to a designer. Let's say she assigns it to Michelle, and now move it to the assigned state. So now Michelle will receive a notification that something's been assigned to her, and it'll pop up under her My Tasks window, so she knows she needs to get something done. So now when Michelle starts working, she looks at it, okay, but she's got other things going on, right? When she finally does start working on it, she can move it to the in progress state, just like that. And there you go. Now there's another automation running here in Asana, where it's added a comment. So if I open up this task, and when the task is moved to this section, a comment gets added saying this request is in progress. This notifies the submitter or everyone else involved with this that someone has started working on it, and brings clarity in your organization. So now the designer has started working on it, and let's say it's done, it's completed. So what the designer would do is then attach their final image back into the task and say, okay, I've done this, this is or you can add comments as well, saying final image attached, and comment on that. As you can see, 3 people will be notified that this is done. And finally, then she can move this task to the review and approval stage. During the review and approval, as you can see, another rule is running in Asana, and it's added a couple more subtasks for legal approval or CMO approval. And these are approval type of tasks where the buttons in Asana, it says approve, request changes, or reject. So let's just go ahead and see how that approval can be done, or if some changes are requested. So I look at this image, and you can utilize the built-in proofing feature of Asana, where you can add feedback right in the image inside Asana itself. So you just open that image in Asana, add feedback, and say, I want to change this color to red. And I assign it to Jamie, and I can put a due date on it as well, and I create that task. So now you can see that number 1 has popped up. So Jamie knows exactly where you're talking about, and there's no confusion or lack of clarity there. You can add multiple feedback as well. You can say change this to a square, and create that task as well. And there's a number 2 that's popped up over here. So now on the image itself, I can see these things. I can those subtasks have been created as well, assigned to Jamie, and Jamie knows that she needs to get those done before the approval process can move ahead. So let's say once these changes are done, everything's in place. Now Michelle can finally move it to the recently completed stage, and the team members can get notified that this task is completed. So as you can see, the clarity is there in Asana in who is doing what and when, right? That is the main purpose, and that brings clarity to your whole organization, reducing stress levels and keeping clients happy.